Let's look at the different types of gypsum. So this is gypsum found in nature like this, called a desert rose. So it forms beautiful crystals. Let me see if I can turn it. So you can see on all sides the beautiful crystals that it's forming. So this is the first kind that I have. Then the second kind is called satin spar. The reason it's called satin spar is because the way that it reflects the light, it looks like satin. It's beautiful. Then the third kind is selenite. So selenite comes in sheets, multiple sheets together. You might find as long crystals, but these ones are called selenite. And the last kind is rock gypsum. So this is just a raw form. Comes in big clumps. And just an interesting fact about gypsum, it is used to help identify other minerals, because gypsum is an indicator on the Mohs scale. If you can scratch gypsum or not scratch gypsum, it helps you to identify the hardness of another mineral. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. Let's see how it goes. So gypsum is a 2 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which means it's a fairly soft mineral. Glass, on the other hand, is 5. So if I take this piece of gypsum and I'm going to try and scratch the glass, nothing is happening. It doesn't scratch the glass at all. A bit of the powder might come off, but it's not making any scratches on the glass itself. So we know that it is not a 5 on the Mohs scale, which is approximately in the midpoint. If you use your fingernail, your finger is about a 2.5 on the Mohs scale. So if you're going to scratch the gypsum with your fingernail, you will see that the powder is coming off. This means that it is softer than a 2.5. So gypsum is a good indicator to identify the hardness of other things, along with items like glass or a steel nail, a copper penny, etc.